Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 8 factorization. You have already got 2 lessons, this is the third. Please pay your attention on the board. This is on trinomial. That means 3 terms are given. Middle term you have to break for factorization. Please pay your attention. These sums are given from M.L. Agarwal, that is exercise 11.43 part 2. T square plus 23t minus 108. How you have to break the middle term, that process explanation is given here. Here constant number 108 and coefficient of t square, that is nothing, means 1, and you have to multiply the coefficient of t square and constant term. By multiplication we are getting 108. This 108 we have to do LCM for breaking this middle term. After LCM we are getting these are the factors. With the help of this factor we have to break this. We have taken 3 into 3 into 2, that is 27, and 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 into 2, 4. That is 27 minus 4, that is 23, plus 23. So in place of 23, we may write plus 70 minus 40. So in place of 23t, we are writing this 2070 minus 40 minus 108. Then by grouping, we have to take the common from these two and another 2. Here common will be t, therefore t plus 27. Here common will be minus 4. Minus we have taken common, so minus it will be plus. So t plus 27. Now see, t plus 27 and t plus 27 will be the common. Then it will remain t minus 4. This is the answer. This explanation is not for sum. This is for the sake of you. Up to this, here to here you have to do. Next sum, 5 minus 4x minus 12x square. Here also same thing we have to do. We have to break this middle term by multiplying constant and this and this. By multiplication we are getting 6, and by LCM we are getting the factors this. With the help of this factor, 2 into 5. 2 into 5, that is minus 10, and 2 into 3, that is 6. Minus 10 plus 6 minus 4. So in place of minus 4x, we may write minus 10x plus 6. This is the rough work you may do in rough, or mentally also you may do. So in place of minus 4x, we have to write minus 10x plus 6x. Then we have to take common from these two and another 2. For taking common 5, it is remaining 1 minus 2x, and here it will be common 6x, then it will be 1 minus 2x, then 1 minus 2x will be common, then it will remain 5 plus 6x. This is the answer. I think it is clear. Next sum, this sum. After writing the sum, we have to multiply 10 and 90, constant term and coefficient of the variables. By multiplication we are getting 90, then by LCM we are getting, these are the factors. With the help of this factor we are getting minus 6, minus 15, that is 21. In place of 21 we may write minus 6 PQ minus 15 PQ. So in place of 21 we have written this. Then we have to take common like previous sum. Then by taking common, we are getting the answer. Sum is completed. Next, this sum is not 3 terms are given here. By multiplication, we are getting 3 terms. Then, previous method, we have to multiply 12 and 10, 12 and 10. Then we have to do LCM. By LCM, we are getting, these are the factor. With the help of this factor, we are getting 2 terms, that is minus 8 plus 15. Minus 8, taking 3 factors, we are getting minus 8, and taking these 2 factors, we are getting 15. So in place of 7 plus 7x, we may write this. So in place of plus 7x, we are writing this. Then the previous sum, after taking common, we are getting the answer. This sum That is 8 plus 6 PQ. After writing the sum, we are this is a different, little different. That is, in place of P plus Q, we are writing X. Then we are getting the three terms. Then exactly we have to follow the previous method. You have to multiply this by multiplication. By multiplication we are getting 40, and by doing LCM we are getting this factor. With this factor we are getting minus 4 plus 10. That is, in place of plus 6x we may write 8 minus 4x plus 10x minus 5x. Then we have to take common. After taking common we are getting this. At last, in this sum, in place of x we have to put the value of p plus q. Because we have taken x for p plus q, here we have to replace this x by p plus q. Then we have to multiply. That is minus sign, so plus minus it will be minus, and this will be multiplied. By multiplying we are getting this, so this is the answer. Next and last sum, after writing the sum, then x minus 2y, that is a, in place of this we are writing a square minus 6a plus 5. Then same thing, we have to multiply. This is nothing, that means 1 into 5, that is 5. With this number we are getting two factors, 1 and 5. With this, that is minus 6a, we may write minus 5a minus a, that is minus 6a. So in place of minus 6a we are writing these two terms. Then we have to take common. After taking common we are getting this. Then at last we have to put the value for a. In place of a we are writing x minus 2y minus 5, x minus 2y minus 1. This is the answer. Sum is completed. Very simple. If you feel difficulties, you take the screenshot, then go through the solution. I think easily you will understand. Okay, thank you everybody.